A life inspired by our sentiments, catching up with the accelerating pace of Dubai. Bianca by Reportage Properties, with a greenery-biased plan, furnishes more than 650 units, exclusively of townhouses that may differ in areas and layouts, but strongly share a common upscale, opulent design of exteriors and interiors. Bianca's townhouses feature a sophisticated modern interior design, offering its residents convenience and luxury through an utmost attention to details and a perfect utilization of spaces that cater for the whole family's needs. The exquisite interiors are complemented by a vast array of outdoor activities, swimming pools, sport fields, playgrounds, and entertainment areas that make every day in Bianca by Reportage Properties a new experience of living as it should be.